Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. First of all, open up a blank slide and insert 3 images of a high resolution. Next, you're going to go to crop option, crop the shape and crop it into a rounded corner rectangle. And select them individually and separate them. Give them each of them the aspect ratio of 16:9. And next what you're gonna do is just crop them into a suitable like size. Make sure that all of their sizes are equal. So now they are of equal sizes. Let's just separate them according to which one of them is backwards and which one is the forward. What we're gonna do next is just crop each of the images into this much width and then adjust your images and put this one into the middle, and here you go. Now you can adjust your image as well. Press enter and put them in a tail like this, group them and then put them into the middle of your slide. Next what you're gonna do is just go to it's a tab and insert a text box and write your text. Change its color to white. Give it a blur of white fill. Duplicate the same text box and then you're gonna customize it and then put it into the third rectangle. Similarly, add your text box in each of your images. Let's just adjust them. Next, what you have to do is just add another rounded corner rectangle just below your text and then decrease its size. Here you go. Now what you're gonna do is go to shape format and go to shape fill and remove its fill, go to shape outline, give it a white outline, move it into the middle of your slide, in the middle of your image, duplicate it and put it into each of your other images as well. Give it shadow as well. Duplicate your slide, and next what you're gonna do is just crop them. And let's just crop them too much. Remove the text from the side images after cropping them and moving them to the right and left side respectively. Here you go. Select this image, go to crop, and you're gonna increase its width. After uh, now, what you're gonna do next is duplicate your first slide, move it into the last slide. Next, you're gonna crop the middle of the image, put it all to the right side, and then crop the side or left side image and increase its width. Wait a second, let me just repeat this process. Duplicate your slide, crop the middle picture, and then crop the first image and increase its width. Copy and paste your text from the first slide into this first image. Group it if you want. The next thing you're going to do is duplicate this same slide and then crop this first image into narrow it. Move this image, second image to the left side, and for the third image, increase its width. Paste your text. To duplicate, select all of your slides, go to Transitions tab, and give them Morph Transition. So duplicate your first slide and move it into the last slide. So this is the final result. You can download this free template from a link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. See you in another video soon.